Hi everyone, I can't believe how sloppy and incompetent work some people can get out of their hands. I can really say that it's a shame. I would be really ashamed to give such a poor shitty job out of my hands. I bought a rear wheel with Mousse and tire. As the seller told me later, it was installed by WMR, it's a motorcycle shop around Miami. I can't believe that a motorcycle store is giving out such a shameful job. They installed the Mousse without lubricant, and glued it with some red silicone. The Mousse was also glued to the rim. That's incredible. How can someone do such a shitty job? I can't find words for this. It's incredibly shitty. I used a 4-feet iron to take off the tire, but it was impossible. The glue held it on, and the Mousse was extremely dry and strong as rock. I had no chances. I cut off the tire. The glue also was dried on the rim. I cleaned it with paint thinner, and I had to wire brush it. The 10-minute work took 3 hours of my life and required tremendous effort. It's incredible that people dare to give such a bad job out of their hands. Don't they have a supervisor to control them? This is the upper degree of incompetence. The WMR would be the last shop to visit. I can't keep this Mousse. I wanted to use it, but it's crap. The tire is crap also. It would have been better if I hadn't bought this wheel. I would have saved the headache.